What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about setting up custom severity for software updates within SCCM. So let's get right into it. All right, so today's super simple. So let's head into our configuration manager, which is right here. Yes. So within here, we're going to go into software. Within software, we're going to open up the software updates folder. So go for it. We're going to click on all software updates. And then within here, select an update. I'm going to select the first one, which is advertised for me. So as soon as I select it, on the toolbar, I am going to click on Properties. Within Properties, we are going to click on Custom Severity, which is a tab. So click on the tab, and there's a drop-down. By default, it is set to none. If we click on the drop-down, we have a bunch of options. And for this particular security update, I'm going to make it critical. So I'm going to click on critical. I am going to click apply, and I am going to okay it. Now, by default, within the software updates section right here, they don't give you, the custom severity, view. The column is nowhere. So you could right click on any of these columns. Doesn't matter which one. Just right click on any column. And then there it goes. Select custom severity. And then bingo, you have your column. And the update that we customize it is now critical. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.